Hey guys, this is Jamie from Shane's Trees. Today we're in Watsons Bay removing a large phoenix palm. It's in a quite tricky situation where most of it's overhanging the roofs and we're going to have to protect multiple skylights and gutters. So with the protection, we're just covering all of the bases up high because it's a 3-tiered property and the trees overhanging every tier. So we're putting protection mats up there to stop any damage. But apart from that, we'll just have to shave the tree and then block into this yard. My crew today is George, Chaps the climber, and we've got Tyrese and Jake and myself. Thanks for watching guys, we better make a start because it looks like a big day.